If you are over 60, what I'm about to share with you is something that could genuinely change the way you think about your health, starting today. Most people spend years ignoring the quiet signals their body is sending. Today, we're going to change that. Stay with me for the next 90 seconds. What you learn here may be the most valuable thing you hear all week. Every single night, while you sleep, your body runs a biological process that identifies and destroys precancerous cells before they can develop into something serious. This process is called DNA repair, and it is managed largely by a hormone called melatonin, the same hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. NIH researchers studying circadian rhythms have confirmed that melatonin does not just help you sleep. It actively suppresses tumor growth, regulates the immune cells that patrol for abnormal cells, and repairs DNA damage that accumulates during the day. But here is what most people over 60 don't know. There is one extremely common nighttime habit that shuts this entire process down. And most Americans do it every single night without a second thought. That habit is screen exposure after dark, specifically the blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and televisions in the 90 minutes before sleep. Blue light directly suppresses melatonin production. When melatonin drops, DNA repair slows. When DNA repair slows consistently over months and years, damaged cells that should have been caught and eliminated begin to accumulate. NIH circadian rhythm studies have linked chronic melatonin suppression to significantly increased risk of breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal cancer, three of the most common cancers in adults over 60. And I want you to understand something important. This is not about one bad night. This is about what happens when this pattern repeats every night for years, which for most Americans, it does. The good news is if this information has been valuable to you, please hit that subscribe button right now. And let's continue. The good news is that this is one of the most reversible risk factors you can address starting tonight. First, stop all screen use 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This single change allows melatonin to rise naturally and your DNA repair cycle to run at full capacity. Second, if you watch television in the evening, move it to earlier in the night and use blue light filter settings if available. Third, keep your bedroom completely dark during sleep. Even small amounts of light exposure during the night have been shown to suppress melatonin. Fourth, consider a consistent sleep and wake time, because circadian rhythm regularity directly enhances the depth and effectiveness of your nightly DNA repair cycle. You have a cancer defense system running inside you every single night. It was designed to protect you. All you have to do is stop interfering with it, and it will do exactly what it was built to do.